Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject thermodynamics for civil service means IFS and various gate exam, and we have started the chapter second law of thermodynamics, and in this the next topic is cyclic heating. So a cyclic heat engine is a engine in which some net work is obtained and some net heat is supplied. So there are two types of cyclic heat engine. One can be this internal combustion engine type, in which this is a system, heat is supplied, heat is rejected. During expansion work is obtained and during compression work is given to it. In second type, the water or fluid flows through the boiler and gets some heat from outside, and then this fluid runs the turbine, and then heat is rejected in the condenser, and then its pressure or work is given in the pump to the fluid. So here work is obtained, here work is given, here heat is supplied, here heat is rejected. So these are two types of cyclic heat engines. So suppose Q1 be the heat transfer to the system or heat transfer. Here it is transferred to the system or to the gas in case of internal combustion type of cyclic engine. Heat transfer to the system or heat transfer to the water. Q1 is this is your Q1. This is your Q1. And WE and WT. WE is your work obtained during expansion in case of IC engine, and WT is turbine work obtained from the turbine or work done by this steam on the turbine rotor or work done by system. Is the WE or WT is the work done on turbine rotor by the steam power plant. So that is your WE or WT. And WC or WC is work done on the system during compression and work done by pump in case of turbine. WP. So these are the work obtained and these are the work delivered to the system or pump. Okay. And Q2 is heat rejected in the system or heat rejected by the steam to the condenser. This is Q2 here, this is Q1 here, this is WT, this is WT, and in this is Q1, this is Q2, this is WE, this is WC. Okay. So here net heat supplied is heat supplied minus heat rejected, that is Q1 minus Q2, and net work is WE minus WC or WT minus WP. In case of steam power plant is WT minus WP, and in case of engine or IC engine it is WE minus WC. So according to first law of thermodynamics, cyclic heat is equal to cyclic work, or Q net is equal to W net. Q1 minus Q2 is equal to WT minus WP. So here we can see that whole amount of heat cannot be converted into work. Some amount heat has to be rejected. So that is the second law. Okay. So that defines one term as efficiency, that is net work output, this is WT minus WP, divided by Q1, or total heat supplied or input to the cycle. So that defines the efficiency, because Q2 has to be rejected, that is according to second law. Okay. So efficiency is W net minus W net by Q1, that is WT minus WP by Q1, or Q1 minus Q2 by Q2. So WT minus WP is your Q1 minus Q2, or we can say 1 minus Q2 by Q1. This is known as thermal efficiency of Q2. So function of the heat engine cycle is to produce work continuously at the expense of heat to the system. So net work W net and heat input Q1 referred to the cycle are of primary interest. So I will read this out. Starting from the first point, A heat engine cycle is a thermodynamic cycle in which there is a net heat transfer to the system and a net work transfer from the system. The system which executes a heat engine cycle is called a heat engine. A heat engine cycle may be in the form of mass of gas confined in a cylinder and a piston machine as shown in figure 8, and or a mass of water moving in a steady flow through a steam power plant as shown in figure B. This is figure 8, this is B. So next is Q1. Q1 is heat transfer to the system or heat transfer to the water to form steam from the furnace. WE and WT, work done by the system or work done on a turbine rotor in steam power plant by steam. WC and WP, work done upon the system and work done by pump. Q2, heat ejected from the system or heat ejected by the steam to the condenser. Net heat transfer in a cycle to either of the heat engine is Q net is equal to Q1 minus Q2, and net work transfer in a cycle is W net is equal to WT minus WT. W net is equal to WE minus WC. So by first law of thermodynamics, summation of heat in a cycle is equal to summation of work in a cycle. Q net is equal to W net. Q1 minus Q2 is equal to WT minus WT. That is for equation number 3, and this is heat equation is there 2. Sorry, heat equation is 1 and work equation is 2. Next point, the function of a heat engine cycle is to produce work continuous at the expense of heat input to the system. So the net work W net and heat input Q1 that pertain to the cycle are of primary interest. Efficiency of the heat engine or heat engine cycle is defined as net work output of the cycle divided by total heat input to the cycle. Efficiency W net by Q1, WT minus WP by Q1, or Q1 minus Q2 by Q1, or 1 minus Q2 by Q1. This is known as thermal efficiency of